Packing, traveling and campsite tips for campers. Foregoing a 5-star hotel for the rustic enjoyment of camping can make for an amazing vacation for the whole family, you and your so or all by yourself. Check out the tips and tricks in the following video that will enable you to make the absolute most of your camping vacation. Make sure that you avoid any venomous plants. A good way to do this is to stop at the ranger station and ask what kinds of poisonous plants are in the area so you can identify them if you come into contact with them on the trail. Never eat anything while hiking on the trail if you do not know it is edible. At night, create bear bags. Tie a rope around the bags with your food and your trash. Then, find a tree and toss bags over a branch, raising until they are at least 7 or 8 feet off the ground. Tie the rope around the tree so it is secure. This way, bears and other animals will not be able to get into your food and trash during the night. Consider camping in an area that also provides you with a place to swim. Many people miss a nice warm shower while camping. Swimming is a great way to rinse off and can take the place of your daily shower. To avoid blistered and chapped feet on your camping trip, bring a bar of soap along. Prior to any lengthy walk, rub the soap into the heels of your socks and this will minimize friction, thus reducing soreness. Keep the soap in your pocket for a quick dose when your feet start feeling beat up or blistered. Nature has so much more to offer us on a vacation than the usual theme park or sandy beach. Make the most of your camping trip by following the useful advice in this video. There are many things to consider in order to make your camping venture a success, so make sure you've covered all the bases and are prepared for anything. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.